Welcome to AI Arch Wizard. I am Lady Vox. In this video, I would like to show you the possibilities that are available in AI static image generation inside of Gemini. You go to gemini.google.com, or you install the Gemini app in your smartphone or tablet, and then you pick, here, Create Images. This engine is called Nano Banana Pro, and the icon is the banana icon here. Sometimes there's a different icon, like during the Christmas season there was a snowman icon, but usually it's called Nano Banana Pro. I would like to show you some capabilities of the AI static image generation in Gemini from Google. The first one is the ability to combine several images into one. In this example here, I have uploaded photos of a Pomeranian, some clothing, and sunglasses. And I have written the prompt, "Put green clothes and glasses on the Pomeranian." And you can see Gemini generated an image of a Pomeranian that is wearing exactly these glasses and this clothing. And you can combine several other items and write different prompts. Another example is, here I have a photo, which is a portrait, and there's only a narrow view of the beach and the mountain. And then I upload this photo by doing this plus and upload files. And I write the prompt, wide angle shot. And you can see, now it has generated a much wider view of the photo. And you can also add to the prompt things like, it's snowing, it's sunset or sunrise, or it's raining. And you can view from the top or from the bottom. So you can process this photo by prompting it, and particularly making wide angle shots so you can extend the photo. Another example, you take a photo of a fridge. Open your fridge, snap a pic of the contents of your fridge, upload it, and say, "See attached image. What can I cook from this? Show me a meal to prepare." And here it has generated a meal that you could make from the contents of your refrigerator. Another example that's good is if you would like to try clothing, say, on your husband or yourself, without having to order it or without having to go to a brick-and-mortar shop. So you have two photos. The first photo is, for example, your husband in cowboy clothes. And the second photo could be from a catalog, a male model wearing a suit. And you can write, replace the clothes from photo 1 with the suit from photo 2. Remove hat. And you get the guy from the first photo, but wearing the clothes from the second photo. And in this way, you can easily try different fashion styles or change things like a hat or eyewear to see what it looks like on a given person. Another example of the powerful ability of Gemini and the Nano Banana Pro graphic static image generator is the ability to create infographics. Here I'm using Alaska as an example, but you can use whatever comes to mind, like planets or engines or whatever you would like to have explained. My prompt here is, create an elaborate, high-resolution infographic featuring a map of Alaska and highlighting major sightseeing attractions, each accompanied by a brief description. It's not a good example here because it's fetching information from the internet, but you can also specify in the prompt exactly what you want to see in the infographic. Remember to include words like infographic, and elaborate to get a very good detailed graphic on whatever topic you need. It's useful for doing presentations and infographics for your job or your hobbies, and usually they're very sophisticated and texts are correct. Another example is, say you have your family photo and you want to send invites to a birthday party, for instance. You see here in the prompt, you specify, create invite to a birthday party. You specify the name and age of the birthday boy or girl, the place, date, and time. And there, it's generating your invitation. You can additionally write, make it a cartoon, or make it a painting. So it doesn't have to be exactly the same as the photo, but this way you can generate unique and creative invitations to your party. And for the final example, you upload a photo of yourself with someone else, and you can replace that someone else with a celebrity. In this case, we have two guys, and I say, replace the person on the right with Elvis Presley. And you see, the person on the right has been replaced by Elvis Presley. You can name other celebrities, and you can also upload a second photo and prompt to replace the guy on the right with the person in the second photo. Like, remember the example with the change of clothes? Here, the example with clothing? It works like that. But generally speaking, you can use celebrities. Sometimes it will refuse to replace a photo with a celebrity because the celebrity may have copyright protection of his or her image. But you can try. And you see, in this case, it worked out. So, these are the possibilities of Gemini static image generation by Nano Banana Pro. Thank you for listening. Please like and subscribe. I am Lady Vox. I'm human, and you can find my audio podcast at grumpyolddames.com. And we'll see you in the next video.